Hey there, explorers! Have you ever looked at a website and wondered, how did they make that? Well, get ready to dive into the amazing world of web development. We're about to uncover the secrets behind those colorful buttons, cool images, and interesting text. Just like a house needs bricks and mortar, websites need a special language to tell computers what to show you. That language is called HTML. It's like a secret code that tells your web browser how to display a web page. Pretty neat, right? In this crash course, we'll learn the basics of HTML and how to create our own web pages. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. We'll start with simple things like adding text and pictures, and then move on to more exciting stuff like links and forms. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of HTML. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. That's a mouthful, right? But don't let it scare you. Let's break it down. Hypertext means that web pages are not linear like a book. You can jump around using links. Markup language means HTML uses special codes called tags to tell the browser how to display content. Think of it like this. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page. It provides the basic structure and tells the browser where to put things. Just like a skeleton needs muscles and skin, HTML needs other things like CSS and JavaScript to make websites look nice and work properly. But for now, let's focus on the foundation, HTML. We'll learn about tags, elements, and all the cool things you can do with them. In HTML, we use special codes called tags to create elements. Elements are the building blocks of a web page. Think of tags like instructions for the browser. They tell the browser what kind of content is coming up. Most tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. The opening tag tells the browser where the element starts, and the closing tag tells it where the element ends. It's like putting things in a box. For example, the tag is used for paragraphs. Anything you write between the opening tag and the closing tag will be displayed as a paragraph in the browser. See? Easy peasy. We'll learn about more tags and elements as we go along. Get ready to build your web page brick by brick, or should I say, tag by tag. Now that we know about tags and elements, let's explore some of the most common ones used in HTML. We'll start with headings, paragraphs, and links. Headings are like titles and subtitles in a book. They help organize your content and make it easier to read. We use the two tags for headings, with being the largest and being the smallest. Paragraphs are used for blocks of text. We already learned about the tag for paragraphs. Remember, anything between the and tags will be displayed as a paragraph. Links are what make the web so hyper. They allow us to jump from one page to another. We use the tag to create links. The attribute within the tag specifies the web address, URL, the link should go to. See how easy it is to create headings, paragraphs, and links? With these basic elements, you can already start building your own web pages. Section 5: Pictures, videos, and forms making your website shine. Let's add some multimedia magic to our web pages. Images, videos, and forms make websites more engaging and interactive. To add an image, we use the tag. It's a self-closing tag, meaning it doesn't need a closing tag. We use the attribute to specify the image file path. Adding videos is similar. We use the tag and provide the video file path in the attribute. Forms allow users to interact with your website. We use the tag to create forms and various input elements like text fields, checkboxes, and buttons. With images, videos, and forms, you can create dynamic and interactive web pages that capture your visitors' attention. Section 6: Lists and tables organizing information. Sometimes we need to present information in a structured way. That's where lists and tables come in handy. HTML provides two types of lists: ordered lists, which are numbered, and unordered lists, which use bullet points. We use the tag for ordered lists and the tag for unordered lists. Each list item is defined using the tag. Tables are great for displaying data in rows and columns. We use the tag to create a table. Each row is defined using the tag, and each cell within a row is defined using the tag. Lists and tables help you organize information logically and make it easier for users to read and understand. Section 7: Semantic HTML, giving meaning to your markup. As we become more proficient in HTML, it's important to write clean and meaningful code. This is where Semantic HTML comes in. Semantic HTML means using HTML elements for their intended purpose. Instead of using tags for everything, we can use elements like this and to define different sections of our web page. Semantic HTML not only makes our code more readable, but also improves accessibility for users with disabilities and helps search engines understand the structure and content of our web pages. Section 8, Project Time. Build your own web page. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of HTML and are ready to create your own web page. Here's a simple project to put your newfound knowledge into practice. 1. Create a new HTML file. Open a text editor and save a new file as index.html. 2. Add the basic HTML structure. 3. Add content to your web page. Use the tags and elements you've learned to add headings, paragraphs, images, links, lists, and tables. Be creative and have fun. 4. Save your file and open it in a web browser. Double-click the index.html file to open it in your web browser. There you have it. You've created your very own web page. Keep practicing and exploring the vast world of HTML. The possibilities are endless.